After opening DaVinci Resolve, when you get a message to update, before updating your DaVinci Resolve, you will need to first back up all your projects and keyboard shortcuts so that after the update, if anything goes wrong, you could restore your projects and keyboard shortcuts. So in order to back up your projects, click on the projects toggle to open project libraries. Click the eye icon to open the details. Here you could see the option for backup. Click on it. Go to any drive or folder that you want to save and then click on save. Then you get this message and then simply click on backup. And finally, you should get this message saying project library backed up successfully. Click on OK and we are done. And now to back up your keyboard shortcuts, click on DaVinci Resolve menu and then select keyboard customization. Then select the three dots, hover your cursor over export preset, select the preset that you want to export, and then go to any folder in your computer and then click on save to back up your keyboard shortcuts. And now you can close this. And now we can safely install the DaVinci Resolve update. So go to the downloads folder, select the DaVinci Resolve's zip file, and then click on extract all. And then click on extract to start extracting the zip file. Once it's finished, go to the extracted folder and then double click on the DaVinci Resolve update file to run it. And then click on install. You will need to wait for it to start preparing installation and then only you can click on next. As always, you will need to agree the license agreement and then click on next. Click on next again and finally click on install. Now it should start installing. However, if you have already got DaVinci Resolve opened, you will need to first close it before you could finish the installation of the update and then come back here and click on OK. And after some time, it will finish installing the update. And now click on finish and finally click on OK. Now you can open DaVinci Resolve, and in my case, I still had my projects and keyboard shortcuts intact, so I didn't need to use my backup files. However, if it was a bigger upgrade, for example, to another version of DaVinci Resolve, then the risk of losing your projects and keyboard shortcuts is higher, so it's always good to back up. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.